Curious about how to turn invite notifications on or off on a Nintendo Switch? These alerts notify you when friends invite you to play online games, but they can sometimes be a bit distracting. In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize these notifications to suit your preferences. Let's dive in. First, on your home page, tap on System Settings. Now from the left menu, navigate to the notification option. Now tap on Friend Notification. Now select your user account. Here you can see the invite notification option. Tap on it. If you want to enable it, select all friends or best friends only. But if you want to disable it, select none, and you are done. That's a quick guide on how to enable or disable the invite notification option on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.